So welcome back, everyone. If you follow me over on social media, which many of you do, but I always say if you don't, then check out my video description for links to all my social media sites, my Instagram and Pinterest and Facebook and things like that, because I share a lot of information over there that I don't share in the form of a video. And it just so happens that I shared a picture over on social media of this little basket that's just bountifully filled with these plush pumpkins. They're sort of really a velour material. They're not really velvet, but I know a lot of people have referred to them as being velvet. And these were at the Target dollar spot last year. Now, I haven't seen them this year, but they very well could be there. But that's where they came from, was the Target dollar spot. And they came in several different colors, but I chose the orange, the cream, and then there is actually a pale green. And I know that it looks very similar to the cream, but as you can see, it's actually a pale green. And when I picked these up, I actually thought last year when I purchased them, this little guy wants to fall right over, doesn't he? I thought that these were both cream, because it's a little known fact to people outside of my friends and family that I am actually colorblind. Not completely, but I am what they call brown-green colorblind. And so things that are brown look green to me if they're a certain shade, and dark blue, navy blue, black, and purple all look the same to me as well. Totally off the subject, but it is on the subject of the fact of these pumpkins, because I actually thought that these were all cream, because to me, I couldn't tell the difference between this pale green and this cream color that really was so apparent to my husband. And so when I got them home, I said, look, you know, I picked up several of the cream and then a few of the orange. And he said, well, you did pick up a light green. So it was kind of funny. And I have actually worn the wrong suit pants with the wrong suit coat before, because I thought that it was my black suit jacket and my black pants when actually it was navy and black, and vice versa. So the struggle is real. But the point to this is I picked these lovely pumpkins up last year at the Target dollar spot. And as I said, I don't know if there's something that they're going to offer again this year or not, but they were a really cute item they offered last year. And as you can see, they just want to sort of tumble around their own little way, so I just let them. But I shared this bountiful basket over on social media, and so the questions started of where did I get the pumpkins and where did I find this basket. So I thought I would share that with all of you and get the message out. I purchased these from the dollar spot, and I purchased this basket from Savers. And actually, what I've done with it this year is I actually just used it on a side table that sits next to this really pretty green and cream color, checkered or plaid or whatever you want to call it, Ethan Allen chair that we have in our family room. And so I thought I wanted to share this with all of you, because if you are looking for a way to display something and just not have a bunch of stuff that's overboard, you can actually just take little pumpkins like this, stuff them inside of a basket, and set them on a table, and you have a really charming look. This actually gives a pretty big impact for that little side table, and it's just so charming and inviting when I walk in and I see this little basket sitting there with these pumpkins in it, and I just know how stuffed full it is. I just think it's a really cute look. So I wanted to share that with you, is that, you know, if you have a basket like this, a handle basket, or perhaps maybe, you know, a basket that's just sort of like a tray, to just fill it full of pumpkins and set it somewhere and just let that be its own decoration all by itself. Let it speak for itself, because that's certainly what I've done here with this basket, and it's just, I think, charming and cute. And like I said, sitting next to the green and cream chair, it looks really nice. And it's the first thing sort of that you see when you walk in. And if you have an entryway table, or you have somewhere near your mantle, or perhaps on your mantle, if you have a table perhaps maybe in your bedroom or your guest bedroom, where you're thinking, where can I put something to bring a little bit of autumn into this space, this type of decor is perfect. Because it's contained, it's easy to move out of the way, but it has a really charming impact. And then, like I said, if you just use a basket and stuff them in there, make them look like they're just overflowing and like you've just gone out and, you know, picked your own little pumpkins, so to speak, I think it's a charming look. So certainly, if you can find these, or if you have the ability to find them somewhere other than the Dollar Tree, I'm certain they sell them somewhere other than there. You can pick the, I'm sorry, not the Dollar Tree, the Target Dollar Spot, the Bullseye Playground. If you can find them, pick these up because they're really cute. Find a basket and just create yourself a big, you know, bountiful basket of pumpkins. Because in my opinion, you know, we've got Santa Claus and we've got who is sort of the hero of Christmas. And I believe that pumpkins are the hero of fall. So if you can make a little display like this, I think it's something that's really, really charming and adorable. So thank you all so much for watching. If you haven't done so, subscribe to my channel. Visit my video description for links to all my social media sites, Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook. The At Home with Zane store is there, and that's where I share little pictures like this and things that I don't often share in the form of a video. But since so many of you started asking about the pumpkins and asking about the basket, and also asking where I utilized it in my home, I thought I would jump on and share that with all of you. So I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your weekend, and we'll look for you the next time.